So the first thing we want to do is find the area of this circle. So the diameter is 12 inches. That means the radius is 6 inches. So we're going to do 6 squared times 3.14, or 36 times 3.14, which gives you 113.04 inches squared. Now we're going to cut this circle in half, so we'll eliminate half of that. And when you do that, we have to cut our area in half. So it's going to be divided by 2. Hold on, let's put a 2 there. And you end up with 56.52 inches squared. And then I'm going to cut it in half again, what remains, so I'll cut this portion out, and we're left with a quarter of the circle, which means we need to cut this in half again, and when you do that, you end up with 28.26 inches squared. Now this problem says to round to the nearest whole number, so when you round this, it actually comes out to be 28, and that's your answer.